guys, welcome back. If it's your first time here, thank you for watching. I'm Morgan. Do not forget to subscribe and turn on our post notifications so you can know first whenever we come out with our new, fun, simple, and healthy recipes. So let's go ahead and get into it. Today we're going to make a mixed fruit drink with some blackberries and pineapple. Really simple, really fun, really fruity. So we're going to go ahead, let's get started. As always, we're going to need our water, obviously the fruit, and our brown cane sugar. So for the base, we're going to use 2 cups of water. It's a little bit over, but it's okay. For every cup of water, I typically use 1 tablespoon of our brown sugar. So we'll go ahead and get that in there. So since we use 2 cups of water, we're gonna use 2 cups of brown sugar. Cane sugar, whatever you wanna call it. And now we get to the good part. Our fruit is frozen, well, our blackberries are frozen this time. I normally try and use fresh fruit. They are fresh blackberries. We just got a lot when we got them and knew that they would not be eaten before going bad. So we're gonna use a cup of blackberries, which is basically the whole bag. And I'm pretty sure these were washed off, but I'm gonna go ahead and just rinse them off one more time. So now we have our cup of blackberries. We're just gonna throw those in there. And then we're also going to use our pineapple, which fortunately is already cut up. And we're gonna use a cup of this as well. They're cut in like weird shapes, so they probably won't fit into the cup, but it's a cup. So we're just gonna go ahead and toss everything in here. All right. So that's all the hard stuff now. All we do, put your lid on first, just in case. Make sure that's on there tight. And let's blend. You gotta plug it in too. Oh, snap. So let's go ahead and give it a try. As always, make sure it's good enough for our liking. This made a lot. I guess I did use a cup per fruit. Hey, nothing wrong with a lot though. All right, let's see. Oh my gosh. It's delicious. It's the perfect mix of blackberry, pineapple. The pineapple we used was sweet, not very tart. So it has the perfect mixture of tartness from the blackberry, but sweetness from the pineapple. Both are filled with lots of antioxidants, which are awesome in times like this where everyone's facing the coronavirus. It's so important that we build our bodies up as healthy as we can in natural ways. And one of the best natural ways is from natural juices. So I hope you all enjoy. If you have any other recipes that you guys would like me to, mess around and mix with, feel free to comment below. And if you try it out yourself, please comment and let me know how it went. Thanks guys, have a good one.